Hi guys, we are back in Warships Legends, and today we are going to use the Iowa. This is not Iowa, this is Montana. We're going to use the Montana. Yeah, Montana. And also there's a new update in the game again, which has, for some reason, the Black Friday is still up. Ooh. Wait, what is this? What? Oh. So, where is it? This. Godzilla versus Kong. Ooh. I want this ship. Oh. Oh, Kong is on the ship. Does he show up when you're driving the ship? But I want this ship. Oh, it's just the Tennessee. It's just the Tennessee. But still, I want this ship. Because... Well, I want that this ship. Oh, the ship. Wait a second. Is there a way for me to just get the ship by itself? Key 3. The Godzilla one. Cool. I want the other one. I want the Kong one. Alright. Oh, and there's a pirate update. Well, I'm never going to be able to do that. Oh! Hi, little boat. Just passing by right here. Fire the guns! Wait. I can, glitch my camera so I can see what's on the ship. Ooh. Oh, there's nothing on it. Okay, more about this. Where's the pirate one? There is this. There are commanders. There are stuff. What are these guns at the back? And sides. Are those supposed to be the AA? Because those are huge AAs. Fast. I think these are the either AA or secondaries. I want this ship. Out of the ships in this new update, I want this ship, and I want this ship. Oh. Alright. First, let's get this. And where is it? The aircraft carrier. I need to find out how to get that aircraft carrier. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can get into 5, but not 7. But upgrade stuff. Wait, what do I have on right now? Plus 20. So if I get this, it will be plus 5. So I think I'm gonna get this one when I have enough money. Money, money, money. Let's go. The Atlantic. Smoke screens. Well, everyone knows that. I am surrounded by destroyers. Oh no, who do we have against? In every single battle, there is at least 1 or 2 Yamatos in every single premium tier ship or game. He has a star, but he doesn't. Small. Oh. Because it's not premium tier. Oh, that's why they show. I'm just gonna go with these destroyers. What are you doing? Where's our Yamato? Oh, it's over there.
Attention, support that target.
I be spotted. I be spotted.
I need your support.
I think I need to go. Oh no.
I need intelligence data.
I'm in a bad spot.
Teammate, I need your support.
Okay, you guys can stop asking for support.
Enemy force detected.
There's someone over there.
Concentrate fire on the enemy warship.
Ow.
All stations requesting fire on the designated target. Concentrate fire on the designated target.
Oh, I'm not. Yeah. Back up, cause. Oh no.
All stations concentrate fire on the target. Torpedoes direct front. All stations requesting fire on the designated. Torpedoes direct front. Hull breach. We're taking on water quickly.
Dang it.
Strategic target. Direct front. Concentrate fire on the
Oh man. This is going to be a big hit. Ooh. Ooh. Oh man.
Hull breach. We're taking on water quickly.
This. Blah. This. He's sailing broadside. And I need to get him. I'm going to die. Yep. Legends community. Community. Okay. Alright. Let's go do the Iowa. The Iowa. The Iowas. We need to go. And do that.
Capture that area. Let's give them a hard time. Good luck.
Oh, wait. They got 3 Bismarcks. And we got 1.
Action stations.
Now. Let's go. Over here. Let's go over here. Oh! Is that skin? And that. And we need to turn over here. And go over here. And do the over here things. And yeah.
Enemy force detected.
Dang it. Wait. Oh, this is just a little island.
Enemy battleship detected.
Hit. Boom.
All stations requesting fire on the designated target.
Why did I hear a bell ring? Oh, there's battleships over there. Those look like they're coming towards me.
All stations requesting fire on the designated target.
Oh no, the New Orleans have
All stations
torpedoes.
requesting fire on the designated target. Torpedoes dead ahead.
Ooh, those are coming. Alright, I dodged them. I need to dodge this one. I need to dodge this one. No, don't turn, don't turn.
Hull breach. Taking on water quickly.
Man. No. I'm in a very deadly bad spot.
Problem solved, sir. Get back. Roger.
I need to reverse now. Before that ship can get over here. Man.
The ship is on fire.
That Bismarck is coming right here. Alright, I'm reversing. I'm burning up over here too.
All stations reporting the position of a strategic target. Acknowledged.
Oh, I don't like these smoke screens right now.
Torpedoes direct front. Enemy cruiser sighted. Torpedoes direct front.
Turn the bow. I got it out of the way now. Oh no. Oh no. These Bismarcks are coming right here. All three of them. 1, 2, 3. No. Turn the guns. No, you. Oh, never mind. You want to be over here. I see you. I'm gonna fire at you. That was not good. Really not good.
The ship is on fire.
Another one. Oh no. Yes, this is an oh no moment.
Problem solved, sir.
Oh no.
Turret critically damaged. The ship is on fire.
3, 2, 1. Okay.
Team has taken the lead.
Yeah. Well, that's it for this video. And bye.